Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the oil on this 2011 BMW F800 GS. Now this procedure will apply to most BMW F models. In order to do so, you're going to need 3 quarts of oil. We're using Mobil 1 full synthetic 20W50, a funnel, an oil filter wrench, a 10mm Allen socket, and an oil filter. If you're wondering what type of oil filter to use, I did an oil filter comparison video. I will link that right here. First things first, let's drain the oil. To drain the oil, you're going to loosen the oil drain plug on the left side of your engine, right there. To loosen that, you're going to need to use your 10mm Allen socket that I called out earlier. Now on your oil drain plug, you're going to see just ever so slight amount of just buildup of kind of metal shavings and whatnot. That's totally normal. Now on the front of the engine, we're going to remove the oil filter. And that shouldn't be too tight. It should kind of just come right out. When you install your new oil filter, you're going to want to put oil around the seal if your seal isn't pre-oiled from the factory. You can just go a quarter turn past hand tight. Alright, now after our oil has finished draining, we'll put our drain plug back in after we've cleaned the magnetic end of all the debris and made sure the crush washer is installed. You don't want to over torque this, so right when you get it seated, just give it a snug it up. So then after we have our drain plug back in, we're going to remove our dipstick from right here and pour in our fresh oil. Alright, so now that you've ran your bike up to operating temperature, you're going to remove the dipstick, wipe it off with a clean rag, put it back in the dipstick hole, and without threading it in, on the center stand, bring it out. You want it right there at the top of the max line. Thanks for watching. If you have any other viewer video suggestions, please mention it in the comments below. Otherwise, please like, subscribe. Have a safe ride.